DoorDash out with Q1 numbers just a few minutes ago. That stock popping about 6% now after hours after beating on both lines and guiding to a strong current quarter. I spoke with CEO Tony Xu minutes ago about the quarter. I asked about growth, what's driving it beyond U.S. restaurants. We also talked about how DoorDash has managed to weather inflation.
So we have two big investment areas, one of which is our new categories work in grocery, convenience, and the other is our work beyond the U.S. and growing to now over 26 countries outside of the U.S. And so both of those big investment areas for us are progressing really, really nicely. On the grocery and convenience side, there's a few things that's helping us continue to grow much faster than our core business. One, I think, is just the product improvements. We're adding more selections, such as Aldi's in the second quarter. We're improving the quality of the service by being more on time, by being more accurate in our picking and in our shopping. And we are adding more and more affordability as we introduce and continue to introduce programs like Dash Pass to certainly our current subscribers and all the new benefits with all these other categories, but also attracting new subscribers at the same time.
Give me the plus minus on the impact of inflation on you, because I imagine on one side it pinches what consumers can spend on, so there might be a basket size issue, but also I imagine on the Dasher side there might be more people looking to make a little money, and so maybe you're able to handle a different kind of volume. How is that shaking out for you?
You're absolutely right that inflation has puts and takes, and we've certainly been tracking a lot of this, especially as we're looking at peak inflation, Q1 of 21, all the way now to where it is today. And so for us, inflation on the consumer side certainly puts pressure on people's wallets, and so we do see some small degradation in the number of items purchased per cart, but that is made up by the price increases that some of these suppliers are passing on to the consumer. So that kind of is a net even. And then on the Dasher side, you're absolutely right. I mean, in surveys that we've taken, we've seen that more than 80% of Dashers are telling us that the extra incremental income that they can earn from a platform like DoorDash has really, really helped lessen any financial pressures they have. So even though we've seen record low unemployment in the US, we've actually seen record high demand to Dash, where Dashers now have earned over $10 billion on the platform over the past 12 months.
Also asked you about what impact investors should expect from AI on DoorDash. He said more features, better productivity.
Given all of the data that we do have by being the largest local commerce platform here in the United States with the highest order frequency and the most amount of information, we really do believe that there's going to be lots of consumer experience enhancements that we can bring, but also productivity gains, right? I mean, think about it. We are trying to build a catalog to digitize the physical world. Where is every single store? Where is every single parking space? What are the items on the menu? How do we actually build all of that, physical information, assemble it, and put it into digital formats that can be structured and, that we can work to certainly improve our operations, but also that of the merchants that we work with. I think a lot of generative AI can really speed up a lot of that work, as well as lower the costs of digitizing that physical world. I think that's a big part of it. I think certainly there can be enhancements to the consumer experience as well to reduce the friction of ordering. So I think all of this is to say that we're at the very, very beginning.